Hi, my name is Ritesh Raj, and this is my app LifePilot. So, I was inspired by my parents who work really hard for our family, and I realized my productivity was slipping, and I wanted to create something that keeps me accountable and balanced. LifePilot is a personal life management system that combines AI guidance, smart task creation, and daily reflection system all built around your personal values. So let me show you how this works. So obviously, just for Congressional app challenge, I made this quick login so that people can test my app. Let me just get in there, sign in, and okay, so this is how the app layout is, and you can see there's a small little AI button which brings you to our Aethera Advisor. As you know, I was kind of like looking for it and making sure everything works before I recorded this. But this is basically what you would see if you're a normal user of Zap. So these are all my to-do list, and what I can do is obviously this is a digital diary note, so like I can always like type whatever I want it, which is in my mind, and it'll save it to this specific date. I can also do voice input where I could just like start recording. It'll record it and it'll use AI to put it into a diary way and then save it. It's very amazing. I'm really proud of this app. It has something called Smart Task Creator where you can obviously voice input or text input, and you can just explain what you want to do. For example, if you have a class schedule, you can like copy the entire CSV and put in here and tell it to create this, and it'll create a step-by-step activities here, kind of like this. I did do pre-calculus. I did study for it. I'm good. Um, and I do want to show how these activities work. So this will have it'll automatically use AI to like extract all the information from you. So date, time, anything you really give. And one other thing that differentiates this app from anything else is the rules. So when you set an account up, it asks you for some rules that you set for yourself. And this is kind of like what I set for myself, at least for this test account. And whenever I want to ask something like, let's just say I want to go surfing, I want to go surfing, uh it'll like kind of like tell me like what rule it is, prioritize health and well-being. So it tells me that this is basically a good thing for me. And if I say something that is not in my rules, for example, if I say I want to drink, right, this will not allow me to drink. It'll tell me it doesn't suit with my rules, and it advise me to go somewhere else. And this really gives you guidance. Another thing is, if you have your contacts, you can always import all the contacts from Google Contacts. You can export it and you can put it here. It can also like add some stories on that person. For example, hi, he was amazing, and save story. So this story would be saved, and if you want to go back, if you want to remember something from that specific day from that person, you can always go back to stories, and here it is. This allows me to like keep track of what I tell people, and I feel like this made me far productive. It has a hierarchy builder and a calendar timeline. A calendar timeline is basically, if you have any to-do list, it'll show it up. Basic stuff. I mean, it has my last two to-do list, and that's kind of it. And this is my settings where you have your profile, notifications, appearances. Let me change to light mode, data and privacy. I do think data and privacy is really important. So whatever, if whenever the user wants to like delete the data, they can always export. They can also delete it. I keep it really simple. And this is kind of like my app. Again, thank you for listening. This is Ritesh signing out.